Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anthony Spiro for SLS 1101 Success Strategies, and I am going to be talking about how to create a portfolio website today using a website called Wix. The reason why I do this is because we live in the year 2023, or at least that's the time that this video was recorded, and having some place where you are able to post, say, a portfolio, resume, documentation for an employer, any of those things is incredibly useful. So I'm going to take some time today to show you some very basic information about how to create a website using Wix.com. It's totally free for what we're going to be doing. And the other nice thing about being able to do something like this is that you can also throw it up on a resume as well, saying that you have experience using this web development tool. So I'm recording on my my laptop. I'm doing using screen capture software, and I am going to walk you through how this actually works. Okay, so I've got a browser open here, and we're going to go to Wix.com. Okay, and I actually already created a burner email account for the sake of this using Gmail. Feel free to use your personal email accounts. Feel free to use your college email account, whatever works best for you. Okay, so I'm going to click on login and wait for the college's incredibly slow internet, and we're going to do aspiro.test.1@gmail.com. That's the account that I made. Continue with email. Oh, what's it saying? Hang on. Oh, that's because I need to sign up. I apologize. aspiro.test.1@gmail.com. And I'm lazy, so I just Control-C, Control-V that. Oh, it doesn't let you. Nice. They actually want you to type it in twice to verify that you did it correctly. All right, so I'm going to type my own password in, do it again. Okay, click sign up. Okay, so this is the process as of 2023. This is, I believe it's March 2nd. Yeah, March 2nd, 2023. And the way this is going to work is really simple. So top right-hand corner, I usually just skip through all of this. And the portfolio listed right here. Click on portfolio. I would just do a general portfolio. I'm kind of just looking for a very basic template. Okay. So these are different templates that you can utilize when you are creating your portfolio just as a starter, right? So what's nice is, this looks pretty, this looks nice, this looks nice. You don't actually have to use any of these. And for the sake of argument, right now, we'll just go ahead and skip past this, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and just call this my name, Anthony Spiro. All right, continue. And what is this? Just a portfolio. Click go to dashboard. All right. All right. So it's preparing a dashboard for me. And there's a couple different ways you can do this. I'm just walking you through how it happens to be working for me. This gives you all like the background sort of information, anything to do with domain registrations, such as owning your own URL and whatnot. You don't actually have to do any of this. I'm just showing you how it works for now. So if you click design site, okay, it's probably going to take me to another template page. Yeah. So there's two options: let Wix create a site for you, or customize a design template. I always go with customize a design template. Just because I don't like having it make it for me. So we're back here to these templates. But now with these templates, what's nice is I can actually click view, and it will actually show me. You can exit out of this if it asks you to edit it. It'll actually show me how it's made up at this point, which I really like. It's really simple, really easy, right? And if I look at this and I decide I like it, I can actually go ahead and click edit this site. If I don't like it, I can go click back to templates and look through some more. Maybe I'll try this one here. Click view, and I'll say, is this what I like? All right. They got a menu system down here on the bottom. I click contact, brings me to a contact page. Click on about, brings me to that. Okay, that's nice. That's clean. I don't really have an issue with that. And just kind of go through it and figure out what you like, right? For argument's sake, I'll go ahead and use the first one that I see here. I'll just click on edit, and I'm going to kind of walk you through a few things to consider before you do anything with this page, okay? So first of all, one of the reasons why I like Wix for a beginner developer kind of perspective is everything is drag and drop. Everything is click, and it just works, right? Obviously, it only works as fast as your internet connection and whatnot. But generally speaking, I have never had a major issue with Wix as a website, okay? So for me personally, I like Wix. I've graduated up to more advanced methods available. And that is what it is. So first things first, this doesn't have it, but if you notice in the top left-hand corner, there's a bunch of menus available to you here. Those are very useful. Sometimes you will see a button over here that says light versus full. You always want to be on full mode because full is the full editor. Light is a very kind of like Spark Notes reduced version of the editor, okay? So first things first is the buttons in the top right-hand corner. Notice there's an upgrade button, a save button, a preview button, and a publish button. Upgrade is if you actually wanted to spend money and link a domain, such as maybe your name. I have a domain of my name, anthonyspiro.com. Save saves any work that you have done, okay? Preview allows you to actually see what it would look like if you published it and it was live, and publish makes it go live, okay, as in like it is searchable on the internet, okay? I don't usually make you do the whole publish thing. I suffice with just screenshots if you want, or if it's faster and you don't care, click the publish button, and when you turn in your assignment online, just provide the URL that they give you. So I'm going to show you, just for argument's sake, what I mean by all of this, okay? So sometimes you have to double click in order to get a section to show up. I'll change, this is Nicole Ryder, I'll change it to Anthony Spiro, right? And, oh, I accidentally hit the quick edit button. Sorry about that. Go over here. Now notice her title is editor, right? So I'd move that over and I'd go ahead and extend my name out. Oh, I forgot the O. There we go. And then if I wanted to, I could bring that back over like that, right? And that's how that works, okay? Very simple, very easy to edit. So hypothetically, if I liked this, I could click save, all right? Now, notice it gives me this advertisement. It says choose a domain for your site, okay? This is the free domain, right? Notice it says aspirotest1.wixsite.com/Anthony-Spiro, right? That's fine. That's what I'm going to leave it as. Connect your own domain means you pay for it, okay? And you can search your own domain. You can do that if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. So I am going to go ahead and just click save and continue, okay? And now it has saved my, my progress. This is asking me if I want to publish, okay? I don't want to publish and I don't like this pop-up, so I always just click don't show this again and click done, okay? So now if I hit save again, it just saves and I shouldn't get any pop-ups, okay? If I click on preview, okay, it actually shows me what the website looks like live. Now notice, I changed my name, or the name in the top left-hand corner. That went live. I go over here to projects, and it still has all the content that I have not edited. I click on my name again, it brings me back to the home page. Very simple in how it works. Now, I'm running this in its preview mode. I don't like something. Let's say I don't like how it says hello. Maybe I want to change that to greetings. I click back to editor, and I just double click here where that font is, or that text is, right? And I can maybe type greetings instead. Now notice how the box is too small, so I need to drag it out a little bit, extend it out, and now that works. Then if I like that, I click save, right? I click save, I click preview if I want to look at it. Look at that, I like it, cool, that's looking good. Oh look, there's buttons here, resume, projects, contact. Maybe I want to edit that, okay? There's a couple different ways you can do that, okay? So, before I continue, notice I didn't go back to home. In the top left-hand corner here is where all the pages are located of this website. So if I need to navigate in editor to a specific page, like home, I just go to home here, and it brings me back over here, right? So these are buttons, right? Let's say resume, that takes me to my resume page, right? I can upload my resume just like this person did, right? I have a resume built right into the website itself. Or another option is, let's go back to home, okay? I can edit these pages. So notice there's a manage button here, right? There's a link button right here, right? And if I click that little link button, I can upload a document, okay? And I can choose a file, right? And then I can upload my own media, like a PDF maybe, right? If I wanted to do that, I could absolutely do that, okay? And I'll go ahead and just use this as an example, right? It's uploading. See it down here? Uploading one file. And there it is. If I click add to page, now that link button that I'm creating will automatically open up that PDF. And let's say I wanted to just name that resume. Click done, right? That's the new one, this is the old one. And I could just hide the old one, right? That works too, and it works very well, okay? So when I come over here, I can change the link, right? And I can go to, see how it's set to resume page, right? Click done. That should work. Click save. Let it load, preview. And then if I click on this, no, it still brings me back to that one. Hang on. So resume, that top button works as resume, right? And then if I need to change that, I want to go ahead and change that. Let's go back to editor really quick. And I'll just do it kind of the lazy way. If I go to linked, go to document, choose file, and I can just link it twice if I really wanted to. All right, click done and click save. All right, click preview. Okay, and now it does exactly what the resume button at the top does. So works beautifully. I'm done with it. Hit the little X button, right? Go back to editor. Maybe I want to change my photo, right? I can click on the image, click change image. I don't want to do that. Change image. There we go. And then I can upload my own media, right? If I have a stock image of myself, maybe I had professional photography done, I can do that, right? However you want to do this. Let's say I want to change the background. If I just click on the background over here, sorry, sometimes you gotta like mess between single clicks and double clicks. Click change section background, right? Drag this up a little so you can see it, and go to image, right? Now there's media from Wix, there's Shutterstock, there's Unsplash. You can upload your own stuff, however you want to do it. Maybe I don't want a picture. Maybe I want a video. Click on video. There's a bunch of stock video here. Now maybe I like the wind blowing the sand. I click on that. Click change background. All right. Go ahead and click Save. Click Preview. And there it is, fully functional, right? So this is as simple or as complex as you want to make it, right? One of the other nice features of Wix is, notice up here there's a button for a computer screen, or there's a button here for mobile. I can click on Switch to Mobile Mode, and it shows me a mobile editor. And you can skip this little thing. It doesn't matter, right? And it shows me how it would look on a cell phone or maybe a tablet. It's a really nice feature to use. So I usually do most of my editing in desktop mode, right? And then go back and edit anything I want to edit in mobile mode. The nice thing about mobile mode is a lot of times when you're working with something, here I'll switch back over really quick. Like let's say these buttons here, I can actually right click on them and hide them, and they will hide in mobile mode, but they'll still show up back in desktop mode. And that's a common feature that you will see in a lot of these web development editors. Is you want certain elements to show in a desktop mode, and then you want to hide certain elements in a mobile mode. Okay, so I believe you can just Control Z. Okay, it'll take me back. Sometimes if I hadn't saved it, you can edit it, right? So the little plus button up here, these are all different things that you can add: text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menus and anchors, contacts, forms, video, music, interactive. What's really nice too is a lot of times at the bottom of these pages, yeah, look, they have their information. They have social media contact information, right? So here's the social bar. You can add whatever icons you want, right? Gives you all sorts of different icons. I can exit out of this, come back over here, and then over here on the right-hand side, I just link where I want that icon to get pointed to, okay? So I'll give you an example. I do like content creation for myself and whatnot. A website that I go to, or that I made, is one for myself, and it's very basic, and just kind of shows a logo I've created, and shows icons to Instagram, to Bandcamp, and to my YouTube channel. That's it. There's nothing special about it, and it works. Okay, it just needs to work. Okay. Now, like I said before, you don't have to publish this. You can send screenshots, or if you want to publish it and send me a link to it, that's fine. Go for it. But the assignment is simple. I want you to make something that would be useful to you, whether that be a landing page, a resume website, an experience page, a portfolio page. Whatever works best for you in your personal circumstances, do that, okay? I'll go ahead and extend this assignment out by a week. And yeah, go ahead and have some fun with it. Play around with it. This is a useful tool. And a lot of times what I notice happens, Wix is a great site and it works really, really well. Sometimes people just want it to work and they use Wix and pay for it, right? Comparatively speaking, to somebody who knows a little bit better, or not better, but more about actual coding and web development, this is an expensive option. What I noticed in myself and what I notice in a lot of people is that they try something like this for a period of time. They don't like how much it costs, and then they dive deeper into actually learning about the coding and the web development. So that being said, do your best. Have fun with it, okay? This isn't supposed to be stressful. Just make it into something that you would want to see, okay? If you happen to be creative or good at, Photoshop or After Effects or Premiere or anything like that, have some fun with it, okay? I have seen people do very, very basic layouts. I had a person in my class that I just got done teaching that went to town on it, and it was clean and it was nice. And it was something I would expect to be posted professionally. So that being said, I wish you all the best, good luck, and get it done. I'll talk to you later.